From Surah Al-Hijr, he is asking his question on the basis of verse number 15 and 16 of this surah. I'm going to read out, Huzur. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم ولو فتحنا عليهم بابا من السماء فظلوا فيه يعرجون لقالوا إنما سكرت أبصارنا بل نحن قوم مسحورون. He says it's not, the subject is not clear for me of these verses.
Read the verse again.
ولو فتحنا عليهم بابا من السماء فظلوا فيه يعرجون لقالوا إنما سكرت أبصارنا بل نحن قوم مسحورون.
This is in fact a reference to those people who deny Allah. That even if a door of heaven was opened to them and they felt like rising, they will return to this earth. Despite their experience, they will not believe anything. They say, Nahnu Masrurun. Somebody has worked his magic upon us. So they refuse to believe their own experience, because it is in them to believe, to disbelieve. They must disbelieve. Some people are so obstinate in disbelief that during the time of Hazrat Masih, these mullah used to say, if an Allah descends from heaven on us and tells us to believe in you, we will refuse. So this refers to them.
Yeah,